Get into the 2022 Toyota 4Runner. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Make every off-road adventure all it can be in this capable 4Runner. From its rugged, trail-focused design to its comfortable interior, this is the go-to vehicle for your outdoor lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, wood grain interior trim, fog lamps, power passenger seat, heated mirrors. Rugged trail machine meets reliable family hauler in this capable 4Runner. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.